Success demands 7 things. Number 1, hard work. Don't believe in luck, believe in hard work. Number 2, patience. If you are losing patience, then you are losing the battle. Number 3, sacrifice. If you don't sacrifice for what you want, then what you want becomes the sacrifice. Number 4, consistency. Consistency is what transforms average into excellence. Number 5, discipline. Motivation gets you going, but discipline keeps you growing. Number 6, self-confidence. Confidence is not they will like me. Confidence is I'll be fine if they don't like me. Number 7, positive attitude. A positive attitude won't solve all your problems, but it will annoy enough people to make it worth the effort. Focus on your goals, not on your obstacles. When you concentrate on what truly matters, the rest becomes irrelevant, allowing you to move forward with clarity and determination. Drop 100 if you read this far. This shows that you are part of the 0.01% who actually finish what they start. If you are serious about changing your life, then make sure to join our movement by giving us a follow.
That's it. It's a portable press fitting machine for this rotor motor cover or bearing fitting for this motor.